If you're wondering if the noise cancellation of your AirPods 4 works on any other Android phone, so in this video I will answer this question. But before we start this video, just make sure that you have the ANC version of the AirPods 4, since there is a version of the AirPods 4 which does not support ANC. Now to answer the question, so the answer is yes, noise cancellation of your AirPods 4 will work on any Android phone. Now to use ANC on Android phones, just pair your AirPods 4 with your Android phone. And after you pair your AirPods 4 with your Android phone, now just tap and hold on the flat surface on your AirPods. Now just do that until you hear this sound, which indicates that you have enabled ANC. Now to turn off or disable ANC, just tap and hold on the flat surface one more time until you hear this sound, which indicates that you have turned off ANC. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.